In this video, we will learn about support and resistance, how we had to use the support and resistance using the binary platform. So the platform which I am using is a Olam trade. Now let us start the session with the starting of support and resistance. In many videos, you have learned the support and resistance in various methods. Okay, whether in the forex, whether in the stocks, maybe etc. and etc. But in this binary option, support and resistance is somewhat completely different compared to the various methods. So then how we have to draw the support and resistance? So let me take one chart. So I'm using a chart, any random chart, Euro USD, which is a real market. Let us go with the real market. So this market, the candle is running here, which is a live market. Now we have to choose a horizontal line here, drawings, select the tools. Now how we have to draw the support and resistance while the market is running here? So the best support and resistance we can draw at the top. This topmost area is called as a support, where we can use as a support area of the sellers. Okay, now we have to draw another area of a resistance, which means the buyers. So this area we called as a support area, and the upper side we called as a resistance. So when the market reaches here, sellers will enter. When the market reaches here, buyers will enter. Now observe here how I draw the how I draw the levels. Just go back. This is the reversal. This is the reversal. Just I connected these two reversal. Now down here can observe this is a reversal, reversal. This is only a one-time breakout. So these will act as a minor support area where buyers will enter. So you can now place a 2 to 3 minutes towards a downward direction. Now I'm just playing a 5 minutes downward direction trade. So I'm just clicking for a one click method. So I'm taking the trade towards a downward direction, expecting this market will reach this level. So the area between this live market and the level is very high, so I'm trading towards a downward direction for the 5 minutes expiry, expecting this will reach the market. Now let us take some more charts. Okay, here AUD CAD live market, this is also a live market. Now we have to draw a support and resistance. Go to the horizontal line. Now this is my this is my support. Now I'm taking a call option. So it is better to take the call option when the market opens at this exactly at this price. So I will try to go for a call option here. Why I'm taking a call option? Because this is a support area where the market is breaks here, and now when the market breaks, this will act as a minor support. Or if you have any confusion, you can use the resistance. The best resistance is here. So I can take a towards a downward direction to the put option. So after the 5 minutes, I'm expecting this market will close below the level. Okay, so on that reason I take the two trades. First one is Euro USD with the help of a resistance. Now observe how the market is moving downward direction towards the support area. Now AUD CAT, here we also expected to market will move downward direction. Now we have to draw a support. Let me draw the support. Just go to the indicators icon, add more tool, click on the horizontal line. So we have to find out the best support area. This is the best support area. How I draw the best support area? You can observe the market reversals here. So when there is a more number of reversal, you can draw a support and resistance. exactly at this point. Okay, so these are the two trades which I taken here. The market is clearly moving towards our support. This will be win. Here also the market is moving downward direction. So what will happen actually? What is the meaning of a support and a resistance? So support and resistance basically act as a buyers and the sellers area. So observe, this is our resistance, this is a support. Resistance is the area where the sellers will enter. Okay, this is the target price of the buyers. The buyers are at the support, which means buyers buying point. Resistance is the seller's point, which means when the buyers buy at this, sellers will reach the target and they end the target. So chances there will be a seller's entry. Sellers will come back again. They will move downward direction and come back to the buyers. So in this way, this cycle will form again and again towards the buyers and the sellers. Okay. So we have taken two trades. One is our winning trade. So let us check the second trade. Okay, you can just click on the trades. This platform I'm using the OLM trade for the binary options. If you want to create a binary option account, so OLM trade is a suggestible trade platform which I use more often, because if we have, it will give more easily methods for the withdrawals or the deposit. Here there is a options for the UPI also. More possibly I will prefer to go with the USDT. Okay, so one trade is going towards the upward direction. If the market is moving upward direction, if you see that this is a loss, you just go for martingale again for the downward direction. So how does martingale work? If it is a 70, just place a 140 here. I'm placing a 140 here. I'm taking the trades towards a downward direction if it is a loss again. Okay, so in this way we have to make the money management clear, and we have to use the technical analysis. The technical analysis nothing but we have to use various types of support, resistance, trend lines, market structures, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, so Fibonacci retracements. So I will explain one by one in upcoming videos. Okay, so with a neat uh, explanation. Okay, if you have more doubts based on the price action, you can comment in my comment box, then I will make the video on that, right? So this is our running trade. Still there is a time of 52 seconds. So 52 seconds we will get either profit or a loss. So expect we will get a profits here. So as usual, if it is a loss, I will again go for the sell loss, which we called as a martingale system. Only one step martingale system. Try to use only one step martingale system. You can see how the market is fluctuating here. Why the market is fluctuating here? Because this is a resistance line. Resistance lines, when there is resistance lines, sellers will enter. Sellers are entering here. They are reaching to the buyer's door, which means support area. So that's why it makes a evening star pattern, and the candle is making, this candle will be a retracement candle. It will move downward direction trade. So in this way we will analyze the support and resistance. So if we have more doubts based on the support and resistance, you can make a comment in my comment box. I will make the video on that, and I will also make the candlestick patterns, how we have to read the candlestick patterns in the binary options. And if you want to create a Olam trade account, you can just go to my video description. There you can create a Olam trade account, and if you have any problems with that, you can contact me. Okay, thank you.